Hey y'all, welcome back to another pin unboxing, and I have quite a bit of pins to show y'all. So if you saw my last video, my mall haul video, you guys know the drill. You guys know I bought some pins recently from one of my local malls I like to go to, so yeah. And if you like this type of content, you guys know what to do with this, and then subscribe if you wish. You don't have to. It's 100% optional. So, yeah. So, other than that, let's just jump right into the first pin that we're going to be opening. So, I might just pull out a random pin because I'm not going to open in order the way I bought them. You know what I mean? So, let's just pull and see what we get. Alright, so let's start with Sleeping Beauty. And this is the 65th anniversary. So, I'll show you what we could get. I feel like we have to chase. I don't know why. But if we don't have to chase, then I would like to get one of the fairies. I don't know what fairy I would want, but I would like one of them. Okay, let's see who we get. Come on. Why do you guys make this so tight? Why? Why would you do this? Alright. So let's see who we get. Okay, I feel like this is a fairy. Yeah, it's a fairy. So let me see if I could pinpoint who it is. I feel like it's the first one, like right there. I feel like it might be. Yeah. Yep, I was right. I think this is Merryweather. Is that one of the fairies? Yeah, I think it's Merryweather. So I got her. I apologize for the lighting because I'm not at home, you know, with my ring light. But that's okay. I mean, it's doable. Like, this lighting's pretty good for this. Next, we are going to open the animal kites. And I want Marie, the Dalmatian one, Lady and the Tramp, or Dumbo. Those are the ones I would like to get. So I think I would shoot for Marie or Lady and the Tramp. So those are my two top that I would like to get out of this one. Let's see who we get. Seriously, it's so tough. Gosh. Maybe it's so dramatic. Okay. So let's see who this is. I think we got Lady and the Tramp! Yay! We got Lady and the Tramp! Yay! I'm excited. That's awesome. Woohoo! Okay, got an itch up here. Stupid bug's biting us today. So let's do the princess cameo. So at home I have Snow White. And I want Belle, Jasmine, and Ariel. And I could care less about Tiana and Cinderella. They could go bye-bye in the dumpster. So, alright. Come on. I have weak hands right now. So these are the ones we could get. Alright. Come on, Belle, 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 Belle. Belle, 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 Belle. Belle to the Belle, Belle, Belle. I mean, okay, I'm trying to... Uh-oh. I think I spoke. Let's see who it is. Not the two that I don't care for. They could go in the dumpster for all I care. Yay, Jasmine! Woo! Okay, so that was close. Next, I am going to open my Beauty and the Beast. Because if you don't know me, Beauty and the Beast is my baby. So I have the rose one, and then I have that one right there. So I need the other ones. So I think I'm gonna shoot for the dog one because I don't have any of the dog pens. So let's see. Okay. Hopefully it's not a double. Oh man.
It's a double.
Oh yeah, and I have this one. So this will go to Latricia.
What is it?
It's the rose one. And this actually moves right here.
Oh, cool.
So we got I don't want you. I have you. You're hanging on the wall. Oh. Why you had to tag along with me today? Next, we're gonna open up the cowboy boots. And I want Goofy and Pluto. But if I don't get them, then I'll go for Minnie Mouse or Daisy. And then the other two, they could just take a hike for all I care. And I don't understand why this is in a bigger box than the others. I mean, if you want to go big, you go home, right? Alright. And these bags are designed more differently. And I don't know why. Because these bags remind me of when you go to Disneyland or Walt Disney World. And these are similar bags to those. So let's see. Kind of have to rip into it, basically. Okay. Stand by. Okay, so I got into it now. So, okay. Let's see if I could pinpoint it by any chance. I'm gonna say this is Pluto, just because. Oh, and Kitty was right. Pluto. I got my Pluto. So I'm happy with that. And then last but not least is the Sunset Mickey and Friends. Oh, I was looking for that. So we have the 3 sunset ones that I've been eyeing for a lifetime since these were released. So we could get Pluto, Mickey, Minnie, Daisy, Donald, and Goofy. And you guys already know what I want, probably. So if you know, type it down below. So here's pin number 1, because I don't own any of these yet until now. And they don't want to come out, unfortunately, because they're being stubborn. And they're going on Santa's naughty list this year. Fine, you make me rip into you when I don't want to rip into it. For crying out loud. Alright, so let's see if we could... Oh, I think this is Minnie Mouse. Either Minnie Mouse or Daisy. Minnie Mouse or Daisy?
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, this is Pluto! Hey, Pluto back to back, y'all. On a roll.
On the road with Pluto.
Yeah. Let's get goofy. Let's get goofy. We want goofy. We want goofy. We want goofy. We want goofy. If I get the same one, I'm gonna scream my head off. And I'm gonna go outside and say, why? That's what I'm gonna do. Phew! Okay, so this is Mickey Mouse, I believe. Just based on it. Is that Mickey?
Yep. It is Mickey. Mickey.
Mickey Mouse. That's so cute. I like that.
100%.
And normally I would throw these in the background, but since I don't have a lot of space, sorry. But maybe I'll throw this one since it's my last one for the video. Oh. You're quite big. I'm gonna say this is Goofy.
You might be right.
ASMR. Okay. Okay, let's see if this is Goofy. Goofy, Goofy, Goofy. Uh-oh. Shit. Uh-oh. Is this a repeat?
What do you already have?
I have Mickey and Pluto.
This is not.
Either one of them?
It's a different character.
I'm gonna say this is Minnie Mouse. No, this is Pluto. So I got another Pluto. So you get a Pluto.
How many Plutos do you have?
I have two Plutos. One is a cowboy shoe, and then one is this. So you get two pins today from me, girl. You little pin hogger.
I know.
So we got a double. So I hope you guys like this video. If not, then that's okay. I mean, it's not for everybody, but yeah. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. I have a community tab where you can ask questions, and when I get enough questions in, then eventually I will do a Q&A once I reach that point in life on here. And yeah, and I will see you guys next time in my next video, and as I promised, watch. Bye.